Need to send a Google Sheet as a PDF while you're on the go? Your phone is all you need. I'll show you how to convert any spreadsheet in just a few taps. Now, first things first, open the Google Sheets app and then tap on the spreadsheet you want to convert. In my case, I want to open this. Now, look for the three dots in the top right corner of the screen. This is your menu button. Tap on it. Now, a menu will slide out. Tap on the option that says Share and Export. You have a few choices. Turn it into a PDF. You can either send a copy or print it. In my case, I'll show both. So let's go over send a copy first. Now choose PDF. It will prepare the PDF and then your phone's standard share screen will show. In my case, you can either copy it, send it to messages, to mail, or save to files. I'm gonna go save to files. Now I'll choose this folder and press save. Now for print, you can also save to PDF using print. Now you can change the letter format, and then what's important is you press this share icon. Then your phone's standard share screen will also appear. Let's save the file again. And then press save. Now, if you go to your Files app, you will see that the PDF was successfully exported. If this quick guide was helpful, hit that subscribe button for more simple tech tips you can use every day. Now, what other mobile app features should I cover next? Let me know your ideas in the comments. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video.